huge baby over here. So I'm gonna review this product. Thank you, South Stylista. I'm gonna review this product. It's similar to the Dyson Airwrap, but the difference is that this one's too big. Also, the Dyson Airwrap, if I'm not mistaken, the brush itself rotates. I have yet to get one for myself, but this one will do for now. So we'll see if the price is if the price fits for the product, if it's worth it, if it does its job perfectly. So we'll see. I'll see you later. I have to go now. Bye. So I'm gonna do the bangs first, the long bangs. Yeah, I have long hair, so I think this is the untouched round blower part compared to this one. So the ends itself are showing the difference. How dull my hair is on this side, and this one actually has more life, more volume, shiny a bit, I think, yeah, and bouncier, this one. And soft. It's actually soft. So I'm gonna do the whole hair now. I just want you all alone, all night long. See, it's starting to have that difference already. All night long, all night long, all night long. And there you go. See the difference after using the product or this thing argan oil, hair oil. This is my favorite. Guys, this is how my hair looks like after using this brush blower, twin one. So I would say this is a good product, and it's very smart for them to actually combine the blower and the brush, because you don't have to use both hands just to hold one brush on one hand and blower on the other hand. It's so tiring unless you have your own stylist, but like me, who does everything on her own, this is perfect and this is very handy. So it gave my hair more volume than how it looked previously, and it doesn't look dull. It has more life. It's bouncier, and I think this is perfect for every day because it actually won't take long to use this. Maybe give it 10 minutes or so. It depends on how thick your hair is. Mine's very thick, so it took me very long. But I will be using this every day from now on because, well, not every day, because I need to give my hair a break sometimes because it's gonna get damaged. We don't want to have damaged hair because the hair is a woman's crown. So there you go. See? It's far from being perfect, but it looks amazing. Very amazing. So get yours now from South Stylista. Thank you, Miss Christine from South Stylista. This is very affordable. I will link their shop below. Also, I will put this in my blog, including the price. So thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you on our next video. Bye!